Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about fish identification, and this will be part 1. What we are basically going to do in this fish identification series is that we will go through the names, scientific names, and pictures of fishes along with their characters, and thus it will be easy for all of us to identify the fishes along with their names and characters. So let's start. First is Katla, scientific name Katla Katla. These are rapid growing indigenous carps in India. They have deep body, stout broad snout, conspicuous head, large upturned mouth, non-fringed lips. They have greyish color back and silvery on sides. Katla grows to over 1.5 meter length, and these fishes attain sexual maturity in the second year. Okay, so next is Rohu, scientific name Labio rohita. Rohu is considered tasty among the Indian carps. They have small or pointed head with terminal mouth and fringed cover lip. They have brownish grey back, dull reddish scales on the sides, and pink reddish fins. They attain sexual maturity at the second year and grows over 91 cm in length. Next is Mrigal, scientific name Sirinus mrigla. They have linear body, small head with blunt snout, inferior mouth, non-fringed lips, silvery dark grey along back, grow over length 66 cm, attains sexual maturity in the second year, and Mrigal grows slower than Katla and Rohu. Next is Reba, scientific name Sirinus reba. It comes under the category of minor carps as they have dorsal fin ray count that is less than 11. That's why they come under the category of minor carps. Next is Bata, scientific name Labio bata. It also comes under the category of minor carps. You can see the picture of bata. Next is fringed lipped carp, that is scientific name Labio fimbriatus. You can see the picture of Labio fimbriatus. Next is Kalbasu, scientific name Labio kalbasu. You can see the picture. Next is Pengba, scientific name Osteobrama belangeri. It is state fish of Manipur. You can see the picture of Pengba. Next is common carp, scientific name Cyprinus carpio. There are three well-known varieties of common carp. They are scale carp, Cyprinus carpio communis, mirror carp, Cyprinus carpio specularis, and leather carp, Cyprinus carpio nutes. They have compressed body, round abdomen, mouth slightly downwards with blunt snout. They have two pairs of barbel on the upper jaw. Color varies from dark grey or yellowish brown dorsally to lateral golden yellow. Apex lining of caudal fin is slightly red. So it was about common carp. You can see the picture of common carp. Now next is Amur common carp, name derived from Cyprinus carpio only. You can see the picture of Amur common carp. Next is grass carp, scientific name Ctenopharyngodon idella. It belongs to order Cypriniformes, family Cyprinidae. They have large sized body, almost cylindric, with flat head and round abdomen. Scales are big, mouth in front, the lower jaw is shorter. Pharyngeal teeth are comb like, and they have dorsal fin short. The back dark brown and abdomen is white. So it was all about grass carp. You can see the picture of grass carp here. Now next is silver carp, scientific name Hypophthalmicthus mollitrix. It belongs to order Cypriniformes, family Cyprinidae. Body is compressed, scales small, mouth subsuperior or superior mouth with lower jaw rather upturned. Eyes are comparatively small, and color of the body in alive condition is silvery white and dorsally dark brown. You can see the picture of silver carp, scientific name Hypophthalmicthus mollitrix. Okay, so that's all about the fish identification part 1. Part 2 will be uploaded soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, stay safe. And if you are new to this channel Being Fish Co, don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.